Colonel Harland Sanders decided to serve meals at his second gas station after it closed down due to the Great Depression, starting with country ham, string beans, okra, and biscuits, and later adding fried chicken, which became a hit. Fried chicken with his special recipe accounted for 50% of his restaurant's sales. He expanded his restaurant to accommodate more customers. He discovered a major issue around this time. Customers must wait half an hour for pan-fried chicken. He reasoned that a pressure cooker would solve his most pressing problem. He discovered not only a perfect balance for cooking his fried chicken in the pressure cooker for 8 to 9 minutes, but also that it sealed the chicken flavor, preserved the moisture, and was crispy after many of his experiments coating and frying it. He never imagined that the fried chicken that he had been cooking since he was a child would become so valuable. He named his product Kentucky Fried Chicken,